we have our two guys from South Elgin High School. That is the 05 of Alex Schluter and the 48 of Jared Pena. And that's our lineup for the High School Racing Association, their first night here at the Rockford Speedway. God, can you imagine being a high schooler and being able to race at the Rockford Speedway? I can't imagine. You go to the school the next day, when that happens, when school opens up, whenever that happens, and you can tell your friends about it. Like, hey, guess what I just did? Green flag and we're racing! Listen to the horsepower of the 13 car, I think it was. So it's Morgan Maushund to be challenged by Tyler Vincetic. Tyler is off to the races with Janesville Parker High School. And it's going to be Vincetic to bring it around. Is anybody going to catch him? This could be over early. Let's find out. It's Vincetic. Look at these high schoolers in action. How about that? It's Vincetic, your leader, the Janesville High School kid. We'll find out what schools are the better drivers. So far, Janesville's beating the crap out of Harlem. What's going on? Here comes Vincetic. This guy was in the first time ever last week. He was in the car all by himself all last week. Never raced on a track before. Now he's leading the race. Here they come around this time. Is anybody going to catch the 25? Anybody? Are you going to catch the 25?
No one.
All right. And it looks like the 13 of Morgan Maushund, it just hit the wall, or she's having all kinds of trouble in that 13 car. Not sure what's going on with her right now, but she is definitely off the pace. But it's Tyler Vincetic's race to lose, and I don't know, is somebody going to catch him or not? Douglas Neiswanger from Harlem High School now getting into second place. Zachary Hawkins in third. Man, Vincetic is moving. And the white flag is coming out for Tyler Vincetic. Then there goes Neiswanger, followed by Hawkins. Followed by Pena and Schluter. Here comes your winner. It's going to be Tyler Vincetic from James Parker High School. Who's going to get second? It's going to be Neiswanger. Whoa, I don't know who got third. That was like a photo finish. And bringing up the rear, Mr. Schluter in the 05 car. How'd you like that? High School Racing Association. It's high schoolers. I like that. I can't believe this guy. I mean, I just talked to him last week in the pits, and he said he was nervous, excited, and scared. Look at the guy. He wins. All right. He's getting out. All right, Rockford Speedway. He's from Parker High School out of Janesville. Make some noise. Tyler Vincetic. Is it Vincetic? I hope I've been saying it right. Say it for me, please.
Vincetic.
Vincetic. All right, Tyler, come on over here real quick. Come here. Okay, we got to talk. Because I remember meeting you for the first time last Saturday. And what did you tell me? I asked you, have you ever raced before? What did you say?
No.
And how were you feeling last Saturday? Do you remember?
A little bit nervous, scared, and excited.
Great. And you did good last Saturday, and now you just won the feature. Tyler, tell everybody what school you go to.
I go to Janesville Parker High School.
Okay. What grade are you in?
I'm going into 12th, so I'm going to be a senior.
A senior. Is this the best feeling in the world to win, or what?
Oh yeah, it's the best feeling.
Tyler, do you have anybody you want to thank?
I want to thank my sponsors, CMG, Johnson Farms, Johnson Building. I want to thank my grandfather. He's been helping me out building this thing, and my parents and my families for supporting me throughout this.
I'm so happy for you. I can just look at talking to you, and he's so nervous, fans. He's just like, oh. Tyler, congratulations, sir. One more time, Tyler Vincentich.